Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mooni's Accounting Academy. Today I would like to tell you certain things about how to choose a college, a university for the students who are expecting their board results. As you know well, CBSE has cancelled the examinations, ICSE also has cancelled its examinations because of this corona situation, you know it well, and the results will be announced after a thorough evaluation process that will be suggested by the board. So after the results are declared, so definitely the students want to join their degree courses. So choosing this degree course, like whether to do BCom or BBA or BJMC, what to do? This is the question for so many students. So here I will tell you one thing. The degree course what you want to take up, that should depend on the PG course, the post-graduation course what you want to do. For the students who want to continue their post-graduation, suppose you want to take up MBA. Please understand what I am saying carefully, my dear friends. When you want to go for MBA, then I suggest BBA or BBM is the best option. Suppose the students may be interested to go for teaching field and taking up MCom, and when they want to enter into a lecturer in commerce, so BCom is better rather than BBM and BBA in that situation. So these are all the things in this video I would like to tell you, my dear friends. So here, as I told you now, when you want to go for MBA, BBA or BBM is best. If you want to go for MCom, BCom is the best option, because BCom and MCom both are accounting related streams, and BBA, MBA or BBM and MBA both are management oriented courses. So there is a continuity for you. You will not get any difficulty in taking up that MBA when you do your BBA or BBM here at degree classes. Okay, and then suppose you want to go for CA, Chartered Accountancy, Cost Accountancy, Chartered Financial Analyst courses, then I would suggest you can take up BCom courses, which helps you very well. BCom courses, BCom with any accounting specialization is always better for you. When you have in your mind CA, ICWA, CMA or CFA courses, whatever it is. So in those courses, this BCom is better rather than any other courses in management, because here you have the background of accounting, and anyhow you want to pursue your chartered accountancy, cost accountancy, like that. So these are all related things. I hope it is clear for all of you. And suppose your idea is to go for law courses, then you can take up BA or BCom or BBA or even BSc also. Of course, there is no restriction here, any degree courses. And anyhow you need to write the CLAT examination, and you will have to clear that CLAT examination to enter into the law courses. So when you want to go for law courses, any degree is sufficient here. And suppose you want to go for UPSC examinations, civil services examination, BCom, BBA, any degree course in the reputed colleges, that is fine. You will get sufficient knowledge because of the learned faculty there, and you can write the UPSC examinations. So my dear friends, you should understand one thing: the choosing of a course, whether BCom, BBA, BA, so that should depend on the future goal. After BCom or after degree, what you are going to do. Basing on that, you have to select this course here. Okay, and I would like to tell you now how to choose a correct university, the best universities or the best colleges. I would like to tell you now on how to choose the correct college, a reputed college. So there is a procedure here. Normally what we should think before joining a college. So there is an old proverb, you may be knowing it. Look before leap. Look before leap. So in the same way, when you are choosing a college, there are certain criteria. You will have to go for the faculty strength, their research publications and their communication skills and the library, other infrastructure in that college, and what are the books and periodicals they have. These are all the factors that you must definitely look into it before joining a college. And the placement opportunities, how many placements and what are the placements that the college is offering, and the salary package when you are going through that placements. So these are all the factors which you need to consider before joining a college. So instead of doing all these things, there is a website for us which the government has designed for the benefit of choosing the correct courses and the college credibility and the institution's credibility and its creditworthiness. You can trust on it. There is a website, NAAC. Please remember, NAAC, NAAC. It is a government institution which gives its rating to all the academic institutions in our country. Institutions of higher learning, autonomous colleges, aided colleges, government colleges, universities, all these are given grading by the NAAC. And when the NAAC grading is A+ category, that means that institution is the best institution. So all the premier institutions and famous institutions in our country are definitely have received as NAAC grading, and there are gradings A, B, C like that. So according to the infrastructure, according to the faculty strength and according to the other criteria, NAAC gives the grading. So when you are choosing a college, please I suggest go to that NAAC grading. What is it and what is the grade obtained by that college? So I'll tell you how do you know it. How do we know that this particular college, which rating is given by NAAC? So for that, a simple step, go to NAAC website, NAAC, www.naac. So when you go to this official website of NAAC, according to the states and union territories, the colleges and universities information is given. And suppose you want to go for a particular university or particular institute, you want to join, then what is its NAAC rating? You can find out from that website. I hope it is clear for all of you. Otherwise, when the institution what you have chosen to join, suppose it is not there in the NAAC list, then what to do? This is a question for so many students, because there are so many institutions which are not having a NAAC accreditation, NAAC grading. Then what to do? So then I suggest one simple approach. It is better to have a physical verification of that college. Go to that college, observe how the things are there, and then take a decision. But during this situation, since it is not possible for the people to go physically to watch and observe the things because of the current situation, the corona situation. So that's why I would suggest one thing. And if you choose a college in a particular place, if you have a friends and relatives there, please find out how is that college, what is its reputation there, and then you take a decision. Here one thing, my dear friends, it is our effort, it is the students' effort, and then it is the faculty's effort also. Both should be mixed, and students' effort is much more important in degree and other courses. Okay, till 12th class, it is one type of teaching methodology, and from degree onwards, you will come to know there is another teaching methodology. So, from degree onwards, it is better to have to stand on your own legs with the support of your learned faculty members in the colleges. Thank you very much.